Hey there, James here from FX Child's Play Signals. This time I will actually log into Farhan's email account and show you one of his brokerage account statements. Now, these statements are only sent to real account holders daily. Okay, here's what he did. He actually turned $6,000 into over $74,000 in just 33 trading days. Yes, you heard that right. That's 33 trading days, which is amazing, and that's using the aggressive mode. Now, of course, I know it's not believable, but let me show you the proof from the broker's statement directly. And excuse me for the blur of sensitive information here, by the way. This is just to protect the privacy of Farhan. Okay, so here we are on the 3rd of June 2014. From this date onwards, Farhan initiated his aggressive mode strategy to this account. Now, please note here that the previous ledger balance is $6,337, and the equity is $7,252. Now, let's go to the 4th of June. Previous ledger balance, $6,816, and the equity we can now see at $7,097. Go back to the 5th of June, the previous ledger balance was $6,885, and equity is now $8,123. And also you can see the date above from the broker. The 6th of June, closed trade profit is $2,710, and the equity is now $11,925. And the 7th, equity is $11,417. Back to the 10th of June, equity, $11,334. The 11th. This time, equity dropped to actually $8,925. Now, sometimes that happens, but the most important thing here is that equity is still above initial capital, which is really important. As long as equity is above initial capital, the aggressive strategy mode will continue to risk profits. On the 12th, equity was $9,963. And the 13th, look at this one, more than $15,000 on floating profit, previous ledger balance. And equity is now $25,518. So do you see the magic here? Technically, Farhan actually doubled the account here in just one day from the previous day's balance. See the date here as well. Alright, let's continue. The 14th. Wow, look at that. Almost $20,000 in floating profit and almost $30,000 in equity. That's amazing. And on the 17th, $34,000 in equity. The 18th, still carrying over the trades, $11,297 previous ledger balance, and equity is now almost $31,000. Let's keep going. On the 19th, $36,538 of equity. And the next day, on the 20th, see the floating profit? Almost $32,000. And wow, look at that. Equity, $43,559. The 21st, just a little dip there at $39,425 of equity. The 24th, still carrying those trades. Previous ledger balance is around 12,000, and the reason the ledger balance has increased from the previous ledger balance was because Farhan actually booked profit on some of the trades. And as we can see, the equity is at $43,000. So to make this video short, what I'm going to do now is skip some days here. So let's look at the monthly statement here. Okay, the 1st of July. Look at that. Close profit for the month, $31,806. The floating profit, $12,007. And don't forget, this was all started with only around $6,000. And what I'll do now is show you the last email so we can see what eventually happened with this account before Farhan stopped trading this account in aggressive mode. On the 16th of July, see the floating profit, $21,180. And look at that equity. It's a mind-boggling number, $74,264. That's incredible. It's just unseen. And I hope you see the power of Farhan's trading here. How a relatively small amount of money can be turned into a big amount of money. So I hope you're impressed by the trading results of Farhan here. And personally, in my opinion, Farhan is the #1 Forex trader out there because of his ability to turn small amount into a big amount in a relatively short period of time. And surprisingly, he does it over and over again consistently. At FX Child's Play Signals, we provide undeniable and verified proofs of all kind. There is no one in this industry that actually shows this type of undeniable proofs, and I think it also sets an example for so-called traders and gurus out there who just don't have any trading credentials to show, unlike Farhan. And lastly, if you want to make big gains like this, like Farhan's, then you need to become a member right now. Don't wait another second. Trust me. Join the FX Child's Play Signal service right now. You won't regret it.